Welcome back once again to my YouTube channel. This is Folashayo. Today we will be discussing on how to apply the pause as well as unpause to our videos. Many times you might not really want to edit your videos. I just feel like recording and then delivering it to the appropriate platform. And somehow you discover that you can't unpause and you can't pause it. So this moment, let's try and fix that. So let's come over to settings. You come over here. The first thing you need to do is to set up your hotkeys. Once you set them up, you come over here, locate your hotkeys, and then you set them up just the way I set my own. You can use something that you can always remember, something you can easily remember. You click on apply and OK. So you come back again to where you have the settings. Again, you click on it. That same dashboard will be opened for you again. Then you now come to this side where you have the output. Then look at this side very well, where you have the recording quality. If yours is at streaming or whatever, this such won't work. I think that's the reason why you are not able to pause the video or unpause it. But if you happen to give it a larger size file and then you OK it, at that point you'll be able to apply your buttons, and whatever you're making your record, you can see this red button is showing us that we are making a record. And if you wanted to pause it now, actually I already set my own into Control P. I already set my recording at my hotkey phase into, like, if I want it to start, I used Control S. If I want it to stop, I use Control T. And if I wanted the recording to be paused, I use Control P. For unpause, I use Control U. So you can use something that you can always remember. So it's as simple as that. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks so much.